Hello all Wolverines Elevated students. In today's tutorial, we're going to quickly go over how you can create a new Microsoft doc. There are actually a couple of different ways on how you can get to the Microsoft Word website, but one of the easiest ways for UVU students is to go onto your Outlook email. Now, once you have your Outlook email up, it might look something similar to this. Now, how you can get to the Microsoft Word website quickly is over here on the left-hand side. You'll see all of these different options. The Microsoft Word one is this blue one with the W. Now, if you click that, it will take you directly to the Microsoft Word website that we use at UVU. Here's what Word looks like on your computer. Now, when you're wanting to create a new blank document, all we have to do is go up here and click this plus blue button that says New Blank Document. Now, if you were wanting to create a document based off of a template, you could also click this little arrow and you could click New from Template. Now, we'll go over both of the different ways, but if you just click New Blank Document, it will go ahead and pull up just a simple blank document that you could begin typing on. So as you can see here, this is just a blank document. You can change the font, the size, the color, the formatting, anything like that. And then up here, you can actually name your document as well. Now, speaking of changing the file name, being a Wolverines Elevated student, you will be asked to name your documents in a certain way. And that is you will write your last name, the assignment name, and then the year of reference. So I will put in my last name, and then let's say this assignment is called self-determination, and then the year is 2022. So there you go. Now I've named it, and then I could click enter, and then now it is saved as such. So again, this is just a very simple way of getting a simple blank document. But now if we wanted to pull from a template, we again will click this arrow and then click New from Template. And once you select that, then here are all of the different template options. Now, some of these are more fancy than ones you might typically use for being a college student. I would probably say the two main templates you'll want to go off of are APA style and MLA. So these are nice, so that way when you're completing assignments in like an MLA format or an APA format, you don't have to format them yourself. All you have to do is select one of these and it will format it for you directly. Let's say that we were doing an MLA style paper, so I would go ahead and click MLA, and then it will just automatically pull up this template that I can go off of when completing my paper in the MLA format. So right here, you would write your name, your instructor's name, course number, date, and then your title. And then you can delete all the rest of this down here. This is just like filler information. Really the only part that you would need to keep and that's helpful are these sections right here. So again, this just helps you format it so that way you don't have to do it yourself. And those are the two different ways that you can use Microsoft Word to create a new document.